Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to make my iPhone findable after the power is off. So first of all, go ahead to your browser, and here it says how to make my iPhone findable after power off. And to enable it, you need to enable Find My iPhone feature. Simply tap settings, your name, and then find my and select Find My iPhone, then turn on Find My network. So I'm going to just go back to my screen. I'm gonna go ahead to my settings, click on your name at the top, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click Find My, and basically what you're gonna do in the Find My iPhone, just toggle on the Find My iPhone, and it will be toggled on by itself, because iPhone requires that from you, because God forbid something happens to your iPhone, you will be able to find it via another device. So here it says Find My network, send the last location, automatically send the last location of this iPhone to Apple when the battery is critically low. All right, so basically that's it. Let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.